Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to quarter 4 of our distance learning or remote learning or virtual learning, whatever you want to call it. This will be 8 weeks, so we're shortened by a week because of the unspeakable COVID-19 virus pandemic. We're living through history, and I'm sure you're tired of it. So one thing that you're going to see a lot from me is memes with puns, humor. I always try to use humor as much as possible. Life's already crazy and weird as is. So try to lighten up the mood a little here. 3 things that we're going to go over right now are the orientation. I have a letter from Mr. Simmons. There is also your schedule and some guidelines, FYIs for your information for you and your family, as well as a Google Voice directory for all of your teachers, which will be updated. There's still a few phone numbers missing due to some technical issues, but we're working on it, and hopefully we'll have it sooner than later. All right, let's jump right in. First and foremost, in your orientation folder, you're going to find a letter, this letter, from Mr. Simmons. Oops, didn't mean to increase it in size like that. I want to just read through it quickly, so it'll save you and your family some time. Dear DC21 students, families, and community, as we begin our 4th quarter on April 20th, with the new schedule coming out, I invite us to explore the uncharted territory of maintaining learning in the time of the COVID-19 pandemic together. The stay-at-home order from our governor has forced us to be innovative and utilize our technology until this deadly virus loosens its hold on our city, state, and country. Remembering our DC21 motto of purpose, passion, and possibility, and our mind over matter mindset, I am certain we will get through this together. I sincerely want to thank all of you for the patience and effort it has taken to get our remote learning plan up and running. I will be meeting with various staff members each day to monitor the situation, gather new resources and information from the district, review updates from the public health officials, and find ways to keep the needs of our students. We are family. We need to stay connected. Here are some ways. Student learning will include live sessions and self-paced elements in Schoology and Google Classroom with support from each of your teachers, Monday through Thursday between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Teacher office hours, all teachers will be available via email, text, phone, Google Meets from Monday through Thursday, 3 to 4 p.m., and Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. for virtual office hours. Seniors, graduation, information for seniors, graduation, etc. can be found in Google Classroom, DC21 Career and College Success Class of 2020, class code 7MDBKBW, DC21 Mental and Physical Health Support, Google Classroom code 4PHSNMI, DC21 Student Support Center, free breakfast and lunch for students meal options, Metro State University online virtual tutoring support. I'm not going to go through all of those. Please look at that, though, when you get a chance. Various community resources, computer and internet access. Please connect any staff member. DPS COVID-19 Family Resource website. Daily DPS updates on the DPS Facebook. Everything DC21 on our homepage. We will keep our scholars learning as our top priority. We will thrive. Bernard A. Simmons, Principal of DC21. Again, there is a copy of this letter in your Google Classroom. If you need an additional copy, I can email it to you as well. You also have in your orientation folder a directory. It was mentioned in the letter. Each directory lists your teachers or support staff admin by last name. This is the number that they can be reached at. Majority of them are Google Voice numbers. There are some personal phone numbers there. But please remember, in case of an emergency, do not hesitate to call 911. So please, this is for for education purposes. If you have any emergencies, please call the support services here in our community. So that is our directory. And then finally, I want to take a quick peek at your schedule. If you've ever had a block schedule, I have at previous schools, this is what I would consider a block schedule. You have white days, you have gray days, and then every Friday is your flex day. You are going to have period 6 every morning. Make sure you access your assignments for your class information, contact family group teachers for attendance. This is the majority of your grade for your period 6. Please make sure you are identifying the best way to reach your family group teacher. You can call, text, email. Please be sure. And then identify whatever assignments you need to do for your period 6 for a grade. So please keep that in mind. Even though verbiage says teachers will not host classes at this time, there will be items in your email and your Google Classroom that are really important you need to pay attention to. All right, so on your white days, you are going to begin your core classes beginning with period 1 on white days. Notice these are majority of these all these in the afternoon are odd numbers. So 1, 3, and 7. Then your teachers will, all teachers, so periods 1 through 7 will have office hours to meet with you in the afternoon. Your even class numbers, core classes, will begin at 11 on your gray days, which are Tuesday and Thursday. So please pay close attention to this schedule. If in fact you are trying to reach an odd number teacher while they're teaching in another class, be prepared to leave a voicemail or a text message or shoot them an email. They may not be able to get to you during these class periods. They should not be able to get to you during these class periods directly. So pay close attention to these office hours. And if you look at Fridays, those are your flex days. Whatever you have due for the week, you've had 9 to 11 Monday through Thursday to get that work done. And now you have Friday to get that work done as well. All right. So these again are the 3 documents that are in your orientation folder. You have your letter from Mr. Simmons. You have your Google Voice directory with majority of teacher phone numbers and emails. And you also have your new schedule. One last piece, please share this with your family members. There's a list of expectations, FYIs, for you and your family on the last page of your schedule. I do suggest that you take a close look at this. I'm not going to read through it at this time, but if you need additional help with this or have questions, please feel free reaching out. All right. Let's go ahead and say see you later for the day. I am excited to see you guys online. I will be hosting Google Meets, so check your email calendars routinely. Core teachers, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, they are going to have a Google Meet each class period. So the first 20 minutes is live with 20 minutes of support and then 20 minutes of independent work. So each class period is now an hour instead of 70 minutes. Thank you guys. I really appreciate all that you have been doing. Staying in connection with me, your teachers, and I really want to make sure that you guys finish this year strong. We do only have 8 weeks It's not the usual, it's not our usual 9 weeks, and your grading scale will be A, B, pass, or fail. All right. More to come in the near future. You guys have a great day and stay safe.